Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and a crochet hook in size 5 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot. Now for this stitch we need to chain multiples of 6 plus 4, so I'll chain 28. So now that we have made a foundation chain, I'll skip the next 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and through this 5th chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Through the next chain 1 double crochet. Through the next chain 1 double crochet. So I'll continue making 1 double crochet through each chain throughout row 1. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2, I'll turn my work around, I'll chain 1, then right after that first double crochet chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 2, I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this 3rd chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 2, I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this 3rd chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 2, I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 2, skip the next 2 chains, and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 2, skip the next 2 chains, and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 2, skip the next 2 chains, and through this 3rd chain make 1 single crochet. Chain 2, I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 2, I'll skip the next 2 chains, and through this last double crochet chain, which is our turning chain, I'll make 1 single crochet. Now I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. Now for row 3 I'll use yarn in different color. Then I'll turn my work around. Now right after the first single crochet chain I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. I'll chain 1, then through that same single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Now through this next single crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 1, then through that same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 2, through that same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 1, then through the same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Now through this next single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through the next single crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 1, then through the same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 2, through the same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 1, then through the same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Through this next single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next single crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 1, then through the same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 2, through the same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 1, then through the same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Through this next single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next single crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 1, then through the same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 2. Through the same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 1, then through the same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Through this last single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. This completes row 3. So this is all for today guys. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching.